Welcome to Fire Alarm Systems course at Radiant Academy. This course is open for learners aged 16 and above who are working in the fire sector of the electrical industry and wish to update or refresh their knowledge of the BSI standard, BS 5839-1:2025. It is also suitable for electricians seeking to gain a deeper understanding of fire detection and alarm systems in non-domestic premises. The qualification includes key recommendations and commentary from the standard. It comprises one unit with 35 guided learning hours, GLH, and a total qualification time, TQT, of 40 hours, representing the estimated time a learner needs to complete the course. To achieve the qualification, learners must pass an online assessment, and once passed, the center will apply for the learner's certificate. We are excited to have you join us and look forward to supporting your learning journey at Radiant Academy.